Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we'll discuss a common familiar topic that is called headache. I know all of you have an idea about headache and most of you experienced in your own life. So what do you mean by headache? It is a common symptom that affects people of all ages. And sometimes it might be very severe and recurrent episodes of headache related to some of the other chronic health conditions which require a proper treatment by the healthcare provider or doctor. So what are the main causes of headache? We know that one of the main causes of headache, that is lack of sleep. People are not getting enough rest or sleep because of the frustrated and anxious of many other situations in their life, and having too much quantity of caffeine that will really increase the headache, and sometimes we might be exposing to fluorescent lighting, and there are many things that might cause headache. We know that many health conditions, many health issues will be have a connection with the headaches. Then what are some of the types of headaches? Migraine headaches, tension headaches, and some headaches related to the digestive problems, and sometimes it might be a sinus congestion. So now we are going to the important part of this topic or this video. What is that? How to vanish the headache, or how to manage your headache by using some good home remedies. What are that? First one is try to have enough sleep, at least 7 to 9 hours per day. Because in the present generation, nowadays people don't have enough time to take a nap. They are not getting enough time to take rest. So our body is not getting enough time to do the proper mechanisms or metabolisms, and that might cause headache. And another thing, you can have a well balanced diet. The diet should contain enough nutrients, calories, proteins, carbohydrates, and should not consume too much junk foods. Try to include enough water in your day-to-day life. At least the studies show that if you're having at least 1 to 2 liters per water, that will help you to hydrate your body and decrease the headache within 30 minutes to 3 hours. So it's very important to have enough water in your day-to-day life. And sometimes it might be contraindicated, especially those who have a problem with the kidney or those who have heart failure. So keep those points in your mind, especially in terms of question scenarios. Then what is another good remedies? Regular exercise. Studies shown that having a regular exercise or incorporating an exercise pattern in your day-to-day life will keep you healthy, as well as decrease many of the signs and symptoms that might later to many of the health conditions in your life. So headache is one of the most common symptoms that we said in the earlier. So please do exercise. At least try to walk 10 to 15 minutes a day. Then what else? Using cold compress. Applying a cold compress lead to decrease the inflammation, as well as this will help to reduce the headache pain. Then the another best method, that ginger tea with mint leaves. We know that when you're having a ginger tea with mint, it will rejuvenate you. It will energize you. It will help you to feel fresh. So that also have a good effect on reducing the headache. Then what is that? Best essential oil for headaches. We know that in Ayurveda as well as Allopathy, they will suggest some of the oils that will reduce the headache. Try to have something if you are a person who have a headache for a long period of time, which is not connected with any other health conditions. And have an appointment with your doctor and take enough rest and sleep. Then the another best method that will reduce your stress, anxiety, frustration, headache, everything, that is relax with yoga. Practicing yoga is an excellent way to relieve stress, increase flexibility, decrease pain, and improve the overall quality of life. So always be positive and try to maintain a healthy life habits in your day-to-day life. I wish you all the best to all of you. Be healthy. Bye-bye.